The amplitude and frequency of two wave is same. Amplitude and frequency of two wave is same, which are from two different sources, overlap at a point. Now the ratio of intensity I1 to that of I2, ratio of intensity when two waves arrive are pi by 2 out of phase, means in the first case, what is the phase difference between the two waves? Phase difference between the two waves is phi 1 equal to pi by 2, and to when they arrive in phase. So in second case, phase difference between the two interfering waves phi 2 is equal to, they are in phase means phase difference is 0. Now phase difference of pi by 2, phase difference of pi by 2, it corresponds to phase difference of pi by 2, it corresponds to path difference of what? Path difference of, here there is no need to find out path difference, directly phase difference is given. So the intensity of, resultant intensity of light at a given point I is equal to 4I0 into cos square phi 1 divided by 2. Remember here I0 is intensity of, I0 is intensity of individual wave, I0 is intensity of each of the waves or individual wave, I0 is intensity of each wave or intensity of individual wave, whereas 4I0 it represent what? Maximum intensity, it represent maximum intensity, and phi 1 is phase difference, phi 1 is what? Phase difference. So for the first case, since phi 1 is pi by 2, therefore I1 is equal to, phi 1 is given pi by 2, it means phi 1 by 2 is equal to what? Pi by 4. Phi 2 is 0, means phi 2 by 2 is equal to what? 0. So I1 is equal to 4I0 into cos square of phi 1 by 2, it is cos square of pi by 2. But what is cos pi by 2? Cos pi by 2, cos of pi by 2, see here, cos of pi by 2 means here half of pi by 2 is pi by 4, cos of pi by 4 is equal to cos of 180 divided by 4. What is 180 divided by 4? It is cos 45, and what is cos 45? It is 1 by root 2. So remember here the phase difference phi 1 is pi by 2, and here it is cos square phi 1 by 2, means half of pi by 2 is pi by 4. So that is equal to 4I0 into cos square of pi by 4 means 1 by root 2 whole square, that is equal to 2I0. So I1 is equal to 2I0. This is our equation number 1. And for the second case, phi 2 is 0. So phi 2 by 2 is also 0, and cos 0 is equal to how much? Cos 0 equal to 1. Therefore intensity of light in second case is equal to 4I0 cos square of phi 2 by 2, that is equal to 4I0 into cos square of, second time phase difference is 0, means half of 0 is 0. So it is cos square 0 and cos 0 is 1. So this is equal to 4I0, I2 is equal to 4I0, I1 equal to 2I0, I2 equal to 4I0. Therefore I1 upon I2 is equal to, I1 upon I2 is equal to 2I0 upon 4I0. This I0 get cancelled with I0, 2 1s are 2 2s are. So this is equal to 1 by 2, 1 by 2. So I1 by I2 is equal to 1 by 2, or it is 1 as to 2. It is what? 1 as to 2. So out of 4 options, look at option B, it is 1 as to 2. So option B is the correct option for this question. Option B is the correct option for this question.